Hello everyone, this is Şerif the Broker. Today my guest is Seher Bahemat,
Hello.
our senior sales representative from Iran. Last time I lost to Bora, so
This time you're gonna lose to me.
Mertay kardeş size bir enerji patlaması, bir özgüven gelmiş yani.
I hope.
so
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
what do you want to gift to your friends for this?
If I lose or if you lose, as a manager of the company.
It's the same, and if you lose, I lose.
Okay.
Whatever you
Maybe
choose, I am okay.
Chocolate cake.
Chocolate cake, okay. Last time you couldn't eat in the
Yeah.
office.
That's it.
Okay, chocolate cake. And whoever comments under the video, I will be gifting the Kağıthane sweatshirt, the last video we made.
Okay.
Let's start. First question, what is it?
So we prepared 7 questions.
This time which country?
Turkey,
Turkey.
especially Istanbul.
Okay.
All properties are from Istanbul. So this is first villa. In Kuruçeşme, Beşiktaş, 1,300 square meter house, 3,000 property.
Does it have a Bosphorus view? It's changing everything about the price of the property.
Okay, tell me the commission and I will give you the price.
It's not specified.
Chocolate cake.
So am I beginning? So $2 or Turkish lira?
Dollar
Dollar. $7 million.
for this property.
I will tell, I'm guessing it's Kuruçeşme. Most of these properties are Bosphorus view. It should be around $20 million.
14.7 million.
So,
Oh, okay.
I-
I lost. I'm lost.
with little difference, I won.
So second question. The property is located in Emirgan, Sarıyer. The property is 2,632 square meter house, and that's all.
2,600 meters square, you can lose your friend in the house.
You can also lose your mind.
If this is house where I am living.
Shelter.
Shelter. I like the columns. This. And
I
medi-
like the terrace.
By the way, Seher is architect.
That's why I'm guessing so. True. Okay, first me.
First me.
Ladies first.
No, you of course always ladies first, but you made the first question
Oh,
answer,
okay.
so I should be polite and giving the first answer. So I will be guessing like $15 million.
And me, $18 million.
$16.5 million.
So 50-50.
You won.
No, we're 50-50.
Really?
Yeah. Who was your mathematics teacher?
I was studied in
But maybe
language
a little
department.
bit more close to me. Maybe.
It is middle.
$16.6 million.
So
So draw.
yeah.
Next question.
This question is not valid. You have just 6 questions.
Yes.
Third question. This property is located in Büyükçekmece, consisting of 1,400 square meter house.
Is it Pelican here?
Yes, why not?
Okay.
So it's your turn.
Yeah. I guess the price is $8 million.
Ya Büyükçekmece. Ya Büyükçekmece is cheaper than the other cities because it is little bit
That's why instead of 50, I said
outskirts of Istanbul. I'm sure it has lake view, but my opinion, maximum value will be $2 million.
$1.4 million.
Okay, I'm leaving. Okay, I'm leaving. Okay, I'm leaving. Okay, I'm leaving.
Wow.
So 2-0.
Can I live here?
After Bora, I feel very good. I think next time we should do Iranian houses.
Ben onları da bilmiyorum.
The other question.
Yes.
This property is located in Beylikdüzü, 213 square meter house, 4 bedrooms. It doesn't change anything.
Okay, it's your turn, right?
It's your turn.
No,
It's
the
my
last
turn?
time?
Okay,
Yeah,
my turn.
it doesn't.
Daha heyecanlı yapalım.
Okay. Does Bentley include it? I should include to the price the Bentley in the photo.
No.
So without Bentley,
No Kutu atışı yapalım.
I guess Beylikdüzü, yani Beylikdüzü shouldn't be very expensive. Again, it should be around $1.5 million.
I want my lawyer. I guess this time, if I do it again, wrong or something mistake, he will fire me. So I need a lawyer.
You have also Joker.
Okay.
We mentioned
What
In the
did you
previous video.
say, Mr.?
$1,500,000.
I say 1.2.
1,250,000
Oh, damn.
dollar.
I knew it.
Bentley is changed my answer. So it is now 3-1.
So this property is located in Çekmeköy.
Çekmeköy. It's your turn.
300
In
square
Asian
meter
side, right?
house.
Okay.
Yes. 3 square meter house. 500 square meter property. In
Land.
land.
You said 300 house.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I guess.
You
Any
guess.
idea? 3.7 million dollar. Am I close?
Bilemem.
Are you sure?
You said the...
No, I was just joking.
Uh-huh.
I was joking.
Okay. Okay, let's give chance to Seher.
I think it's around 6 million.
Okay. Is it your last answer?
No.
She's joking.
Yeah, give your decision.
She's very funny girl.
Because of name rules, I am giving you another
Okay,
chance.
thank you. Yeah, 6.
Okay. She had a good guess, but it is 1-0 more. I think it is $600,000.
$650,000.
Oh my.
Yeah, because it is Çekmeköy, Asian side.
The
And
problem is I don't know where That's why it's not fair.
wow, it looks amazing.
Yes, this villa is located in Dragos. You know where the Dragos is?
Dragos is on the Asian side, you know, Kartal.
Okay?
In the
Okay, I know Kartal. Okay.
in that region. It has, of course, sea view, my opinion. Dragos.
So 2,700 square meter in total.
I should guess, isn't it, this time? Dragos is good location, not bad. My opinion per meter square should be, if I was the owner of the house, I would ask like $1,000 per meter square, like $2,700,000.
2.4.
Don't make up.
Yeah, 2.4.
2.7.
$7.4 million.
Wow.
Why did you give so cheap amount for this property? Why did you?
Because of me.
Exactly.
Okay, the last question is the most authentic property, I guess. Ottoman style villa, and probably it comes from
Mm-hmm.
Ottoman
You mean
architecture.
it's historical place, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Renovated or not?
Sorry?
Is it renovated or not?
I don't know. You can understand. You are the architecture. Is there any renovation on the property?
Do you know how many years
I
old?
have no idea about the inside, but as I see from here, no.
Do you know the history, or is there some...
I didn't check.
Story?
Yeah, I didn't check its background.
These houses mostly like, there is a history, like some guy from the Ottoman Empire or famous author or artist in this, and the name is given from the owner.
So the property is located in Kadıköy, so suitable for being a house of poet
Mm-hmm.
or something like that. 540 square meter house, 790 square meters of land. Bonus, 13 bedrooms
Mm.
it had.
Lucky house.
Lucky owner.
Lucky.
Okay, so it's me, right? You're waiting for me. I guess 11.4. 4 is my lucky number. 11.4 million dollars.
Okay. I will be.
I think you're gonna say 2 million, right?
No.
Let me help
It,
you.
it's more than that, my opinion. I guess it is $10 million. Uh-huh.
So 2,750,000.
Wow. Again, I will.
Just send that to me.
Completely opposite to the Bora videos.
Yeah,
Like 6-1.
definitely.
No, it's because you said okay, more bonus. It has 13 rooms. Then it's in Kadıköy, the best location.
Sir, all your fans are thanking you for the chocolate cake.
Yeah, everybody's looking at me now.
Lucky 4 number doesn't bring you.
Are you gonna fight me?
No,
Be honest.
I will eat chocolate cake. So thank you for watching. Today I won.
Thank you.
Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and make a comment under the video. This time comment will be gifting as a sweatshirt all over the world. We will be choosing one and I will be eating chocolate cake from Seher.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Kaybettim öyle gözüküyor ama kovulmadım çok şükür. Bir daha Ses Bey'le yarışmayacağım belli oldu. Sonuç görüyorsunuz.
Seher'cim nasıl bir duygu?
Bir daha sizle yarışmayacağım.
Seher parayı kıymışsın. Geçen yiyemediğin pastadan almışsın.
Aynen. Çok şükür kovulmadı en azından.
Evet. Yiyemediği pastadan almışsın. Çekiyor musun? Kayıtlı mısın? Okay. So
Teşekkürler.
we did the challenge. Seher lost it.
I'm lost but thanks that I'm not fired yet.
And she got this cake for us. Thank you.
You're welcome.
As for all team. She couldn't eat last week. We bought the same cake. She was with the client, so she got the same cake. I'm giving the first cut. Şuradan bir çilek alayım.
Afiyet olsun. Bir daha yarışmayacağım.
Kesene bereket.